Hey everyone, welcome back to our journey into the fascinating world of ethical theories. Today we are stepping into the realm of deontology, a paradigm that revolves around duty and rules. So buckle up as we dive into the intricacies of deontological ethics. Now we have chatted about virtue ethics, where character takes the spotlight, and the utilitarian approaches, where we weigh the costs and the benefits. Deontology, on the other hand, is all about duty. The term itself comes from the Greek word deon, meaning duty. It's like a moral GPS, guiding our actions irrespective of the outcomes. In deontology, what's right is separated from what's good. Picture this: killing someone might prevent a war, but if the rule is that killing is wrong, it's considered wrong, regardless of the outcome. Here, the focus is on moral duties. Intent is the key player. Think emotional lies being morally wrong, not because of the outcome, but because lying is inherently wrong. Some deontologists tie their principles to divine law. For instance, celebrating Eid al-Adha, but not slaughtering an animal because you cannot afford will do. However, skipping the animal sacrifice out of laziness is considered wrong, regardless of the identical outcome. Others, like Immanuel Kant, argue that such rules are not handed down by a higher power, but are rational principles discovered by humans. Immanuel Kant is a prominent scholar in deontological ethics. He introduced the famous categorical imperative, an unconditional rule that must be followed in all circumstances. The first formulation goes like this: act only according to the maxim, whereby you can at the same time will, that is, should become a universal law. Essentially, ask yourself if the rule you're following could be a universal law for everyone. It's like the golden rule, but on a universal scale. Kant argued that duties could not conflict, but modern philosophers take a more flexible stance. For instance, W.D. Ross crafted a list of duties that include honesty, fidelity, reparation, gratitude, justice, non maleficence, and self improvement. Unlike Kant, Ross acknowledged that these duties could clash. Imagine the duty of fidelity conflicting with the duty of non maleficence, when keeping a promise causes harm due to changed circumstances. Deontological reasoning provides clear guidelines, but it comes at the cost of potential conflicts between duties. In our next exploration, we'll dive into the examples of these conflicts, so stay tuned for more ethical insights. Until then, keep those moral compasses aligned, and I'll catch you in the next one.